Yo, what's up YouTube? It is Border of the X of the King, Border X King, and I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to set up Kodi on Ubuntu 15.10. Also, I don't know if you know this, but I'll just kind of quickly show you, because I like to hook my laptop up to my TV because I hate watching movies on my laptop. And pretty much I always just put my laptop aside. So I will also just kind of show you how to set up the audio and the picture instead of having to do a dual screen to do duplicate. I don't know if you know how to do this or not, but you might not. So what you want to do when you plug in your PC is you want to plug it in through HDMI. You want to go to System Settings. It'll automatically detect it, but it'll automatically put it to duplicate screens. You're going to want to go to Displays, and you're going to want to Mirror Display. That's what you're going to want to do. Because if you don't hit Mirror Display, it's going to duplicate the display, and then you're going to have two displays, and it's just really, really annoying. And then resolution, put it as high as you possibly can. I have mine at 1920 times 1080. Normal. I usually bump mine up to 1.5. It just makes the icons bigger. I know it might look kind of stupid, but that's how I do it. I can see everything from far away. And then sticky edges on. I honestly don't know what this is, but I just put them on. And then for the sound, it's automatically always going to come out of your PC. It's really annoying. You're just going to want to go to sound and go to HDMI display port. And I also have a problem with 15.10 because I already set up Kodi, so I don't want to reinstall it. But sometimes I want to take my laptop places. My digital outlet, this and this, these two volumes, they just stopped working. I don't know why, but the HDMI is the only volume that works. So if you know a fix for that, tell me where to go or tell me how to do it. Just leave a comment down in the description. Okay, but on with the tutorial. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here. You're going to want to open Terminal right here. Okay? When you get to Terminal, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go sudo apt-get install software properties common. So I'm just going to, I'll leave all of this in the description too, so you can just copy and paste. In the copy and paste, you go Control-Alt-V. Enter your password. I think I entered that right. I did enter that right. Huh. And you just won't ever see the password. And once you enter it once, you don't have to enter it for every single time. I think it saves it for like 30 minutes. And then you want to go to the next one. Okay, so copy. Go in here. And you go paste. Enter. Enter again. Boom, it's done. Okay. Then you're going to want to go sudo apt-get update. Okay, Control-Alt-V again, enter. It'll just pretty much update everything you have. And then you kind of just gotta wait for this. Sorry, I know it sucks waiting for it. But you just kind of do this 100% reading lists. Okay, now that that's done, you want to go to the last one, which I think I already have Kodi. I'm not sure. Yeah, I already have Kodi, so I won't do it, but you want to go sudo apt-get install Kodi, okay? It'll just go copy, paste, but I already have Kodi as you saw, so I don't really want to do this, okay? So once you install Kodi, you're going to want to open it, so you're going to go Kodi Media Center, open. Let's see if it actually opens. Oh, it opened for me, okay? So when you're in here, see, everything's stock. You don't have anything, music, program, system, nothing. So you're going to want to go to System. You're going to want to go to File Manager. You're going to want to go to Add Source. If it'll open. There we go. Add Source. You're going to want to go here, and you're going to want to go HTTP colon back. Oh, that's not a colon. Colon backslash, and then it's fusion dot tv addons dot ag. You're gonna want to hit done. You're gonna want to go here, and you're just gonna want to name it. So I'm gonna name it my TV for free. Okay, my TV for free. You're going to want to go done, and you're going to want to go OK. Once you do that, see, it's there, my TV for free. You're going to want to go here, and you're going to, I believe you just go into System. You're going to want to go to Add-ons. Hit OK, because this is the first time. You're going to go Install from zip file. You're going to go my TV for free, or whatever you named it. Then you're going to want to go Start here. You're going to want to go all the way down to the bottom on the plugin.video.hubwizard 1.1.9 zip. Open it. And you just want to wait for it to actually do its thing. Okay, config added. Okay, so now it's added. You're going to want to go here. You're going to want to go into Programs. You're going to want to click Config Wizard 1.1.9. And this works for anything. You can set up pretty much Kodi the same way, except the only reason I have to use the terminal is because I am on Linux. But most other things, like Windows and Android, you can download it. Those are the only two things I've ever actually used it on. But whatever you are doing Kodi on, do not click, oh, I have a Mac, when you're not running Mac. Click what you are running. So we're going to click Linux. Would you like tv.ag to customize your add-on selection? Yes. And it's going to go downloading. And sometimes you won't see the percent. Just do it a couple tries. Sometimes it's really pretty much all your internet, though. So we'll just let this download. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna randomly chat about random stuff. So, like yesterday, you know, I went outside and I had a good time. Outside. Yeah. Okay. Now that it's 100% finished. Well, now that it's 100% finished is what it's saying. Boom. Look at that. The background's changed. I don't know how to change the background, but I will tell you how to change the background when I know how to change the background. Or if you know how to change the background, just leave your YouTube link in the description, because that'd be awesome. Because you know what? This background gets a little boring, and sometimes I'd like something a little more cool. But let's see. So under programs, you actually got add-on installer, maintenance tool, and whatever this thing is. I don't really know. I've never actually touched any of those. Music, you got radio, you got Apple, iTunes, podcasts, which I don't know if you know this, but there's a podcast out there. It's called Oh Yeah Dude, and it is literally the coolest podcast ever. Just saying. Then you got this karaoke add-on. I don't know if that actually works. I kind of want to try it sometime. Then you got Broadcastify TV add-on. And then SoundCloud, which SoundCloud is just awesome. But yeah. Then you go to videos. Genesis has usually the best quality, but really you can use any of these. Any of these work just fine. But you're going to want to go into Genesis is my suggestion. It's going to pop up this. Just go to the top left and click X. You got your search, you got your tools, latest episodes, latest movies, my genres, my channel, my TV shows, movies, So let's go with latest movies. I did click it, right? There we go. Yep. Now we're in. Wait, no we're not. Why didn't it work? Okay, I don't know. It's not working. There. We'll just go to movies. That's weird. You got favorites. I don't have any favorites because I just set it up, but you can set your favorite movies. Latest movies. Let's click it. I don't know why, but it's not working. Huh. Let's go genre. There. Let's go action movies. There. This one's working. Latest movies apparently isn't working for me, but you know, action movies are the coolest. Yeah. So, you know, blah. Look at all these movies. They literally got thousands of movies, and they're all free. Like, all you have to do, for example, what is a movie? Because I do want to watch a movie after this. What do you think a good movie is? I could watch, let's see. Tracers is pretty pretty awesome. Tracers is pretty heist. That's what I was gonna say. Okay? If you don't know, Tracers is pretty heist. It's pretty heisty. Tracers is a really awesome movie if you like parkour. Let's watch a Disney movie. We're gonna watch Descendants, okay? We're gonna click it. It's gonna load all of your sources. And I'll tell you what sources are when they load up. Well, I'll just tell you now. Sources are, sorry about that, that's very unprofessional. It's taking quite long to load Descendants. I don't think I'm gonna load Descendants. Oh, there we go. Sources are like these. So, like, G-Video is honestly my favorite. G-Video and I think Mighty Upload usually are the only ones that work for me. I really haven't tried any of these, but I don't like to go to the mid and low qualities. I like the HD and the high quality in 1080p. But pretty much what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click it. It's going to go through, and then it's going to go working.
I'm Cameron Wolf, and you're about to be one of the...
And then, see? Boom. Paused, 1 hour and 22 minutes, Descendants 2015, 720p, AAC 2.0, blah 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 blah, boom. Exit that because I really don't like doing illegal stuff, and I just wanted to show you. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not telling you to do illegal stuff. I'm going to delete all of this when I get out of here. I do not watch illegal movies. I don't know if it is illegal. It is a program. Do it at your own risk. Okay, guys? Do it at your own risk. I want to say 1,000 DVDs. And yes, I watch DVDs. DVDs are my favorite, so don't judge. Okay? But this is for educational purposes only. Just go exit, and then boom. There you go. You set up kodi. Congratulations.